Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the phone app. This is where speed dial lives. Once there, go to Contacts or Recents and find the person you want. Long press their entry or tap the three-dot menu and choose Add to Speed Dial. This assigns them to a numeric slot. Do this now because assigning early slot saves taps later. Make sure you note the slot number, since those digits become one-tap shortcuts that speed calls. Once entries exist, you manage them in phone app settings under Speed Dial. You can replace or remove a contact or reassign someone to a different slot. This keeps your most used people under the best digits. Change the contact ringtone or mark them as favorite so identification is faster when the call comes. Also, make sure to sync changes with your account if you use multiple devices, so your speed dial remains consistent across phones. To place a call, tap and hold the number on the dial pad or use the shortcut in your contacts. Speed dial calls immediately. If a call goes to the wrong person, there's usually a duplicate contact or an account sync issue. Check merged entries and active accounts. If slots fail to update after edits, clear the phone app cache or remove and re-add the speed dial entry. That final reset fixes most persistent problems and gets you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.